Another burger and fries type of nice. I'm getting on beef patties for $6.92. I'm gonna get a rice and onion creamy 4 cheese for $1.99. And I need to get some Pepperidge Farm buns for my burgers. All right, and my buns are on sale today for $3.49. See if this one a little softer back here. Yep. Okay. I'm actually gonna go over to the deli and get some lunch meat. First, I had to stop and get this half and half cake for $5. Put this meat down here. All right, now I can go get some. No, I gotta get something for the kids. Oh, this is cute. $11.99 for this 10-inch chocolate holiday cake. All right, what would the kids want? No, they just want like Skittles and I think they'd rather have Skittles and like some Jolly Ranchers or something. So let's get lunch meat now. Turkey breast is on sale for $9.99 per pound. Hi, how are you? Good, thank you. I'm gonna get a half pound of the, I'm gonna get the turkey breast chipped. Yes, please. So again, you can get it chipped thin, shaved thin, sliced regular, sliced thick, or a dinner slice. That's all. Thank you. All right, $5.79 for that. All right, the only thing about trying to get fresh vegetables is my family only eats like French style green beans. They don't eat cabbage or broccoli, carrots. I'm the only one that really eats all of this stuff. They're more so big on fruit. I don't usually buy this stuff unless it's for me, which sometimes, you know, I don't be wanting to cook 2 meals. So I'm gonna search for some zucchini because I've been wanting some fried zucchini with some marinara sauce.
Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's something that you want, you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world.
I'm gonna grab this corn for $5.99. Tomatoes on sale for $1.99 per pound. Don't need tomatoes. I do want to get a lemon though for lemon water. So let's go around here and get a lemon. I don't need a big bag, just need, I want to get 1 lemon and 1 lime. 1 lemon, 1 lime, 79 cents each. Okay. Ooh. All right, lemon and lime. For these hand soaps, I'm going to get this frosted snowflake and this sugared vanilla bean. Okay, it looks like the price for the ground beef has come down tremendously. This one's only $13.33, so I'm going to get this because I've been trying to get some decently priced ground beef since my Sam's Club haul. Sirloin tip steaks $15.70, $1.69 per pound. I think I'm good over here. Now, I still got chicken in the freezer from my Sam's Club haul. I don't think I need to go down that way, except for like breakfast sausage. What's today? I better go get some breakfast sausage. They got these whole hams for 99 cents per pound. $67.12. But of course I don't need no ham. So I'm gonna go get some sausage links, some Bob Evans links. And I already have like kielbasa for myself because I don't eat this sausage. I got beef kielbasa for myself at home. All right, the store brand sausage is $8. You get 24 links in here, but they have the Bob Evans, you get 2 for $8, and they have 14 links per pack. So we'll get these and shop smarter. A penny more for 4 more links. Let's switch this one out because this expires in like 2 weeks. So no, that's why I always grab stuff from the back. All right, we'll get that one. want to get these honey butter crescent rolls for $2.99, and we can eat them with some baked barbecue chicken, the corn on the cob, the rolls, and probably like some I don't know, mashed potatoes or something like that, rice, something. I'll get my daughter her favorite Pop-Tarts. The cookies and cream for $3.29. The Grinch design with the pop is so cute. But now I just have to get my son like his Skittles and his Skittles, and that's it for this Giant Eagle haul. We wish Yins a Merry Christmas. This is the thing about the Yins word with Pittsburgh people. Some of us don't use the Yins word. We don't say Yins. Yins better watch out. No. I almost forgot the pizza, y'all. All right, the kids want this for $5.99. Same old, same old. My husband likes these tombstones. I'm okay with tombstones. Tastes like school pizza, but I'm gonna get the Supreme because there's a deal too for $8. So I'll just get this one. I was gonna get like a margarita pizza, but since there's that deal, I'll just stick with those. The pizza rolls are so caught on sale. They're $14.99 on sale for $12.99. If I knew I was gonna get all of this stuff, I would have went to Sam's Club. All right, so I gotta do self-checkout.
$6.92. $5.49. $5.49. $4.99. $3.49. $5.79. Lime quantity and touch the enter button. 1. Place your lime in the bag. 79 cents.
All right, $90.85. I'm gonna redeem my perks, and my total today is $89.43.
Would you like to make a donation? Your total is
Apple Pay.
$89.40.
All right, and here is that Tombstone Supreme. Thank y'all for tuning in. The sweetest.